Hey everyone, welcome back to Inferno Tech. Today we're diving deep into Apple's brand new iPhone 17 lineup, including the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and the Pro Max. We'll explore what's actually new compared to last year, including battery life improvements, display upgrades, new camera features, colors, pricing, and the major differences between all four models. Let's get started. Overview of lineup. This year, Apple has shaken things up. The Plus model is gone and has been replaced by the brand new iPhone 17 Air. That means the lineup now includes four models: the iPhone 17, 17 Air, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Display and design changes. One of the biggest changes comes to the display. For the first time ever, all iPhone 17 models now support a 120Hz ProMotion display. That means smooth scrolling, smoother animations, and a much better overall experience, something previously limited to only the Pro models. The base iPhone 17 also grows in size, from 6.1 inches last year to 6.3 inches this year. Meanwhile, the Pro Max now comes in at a massive 6.9 inches. Apple has also introduced Ceramic Shield 2, making the front glass up to 3 times more resistant to scratches and cracks. Bezels are thinner, the phones feel lighter, and the Pro models switch from titanium back to a redesigned aluminum unibody with better heat management. Camera upgrades. Now let's talk cameras, because this year Apple has made some major improvements. The front camera is now 18 megapixels with a square sensor. This allows automatic framing, so if you're taking a selfie and a friend joins the shot, the camera can automatically switch from portrait to landscape, or adjust the crop to fit everyone in. This is very similar to Apple's center stage feature on iPads. The rear cameras on the iPhone 17 and Air are now upgraded to 48 MPX, while the Pro and Pro Max models get a triple lens 48 MPX system, including a new long telephoto lens with up to 8 times optical quality zoom. This makes the Pro Max especially powerful for photography and videography. Battery life improvements. Battery life has also seen a boost this year. Let's compare. Last year, the iPhone 16 offered around 22 hours of video playback on the base model. The new iPhone 17 now delivers about 26 to 27 hours. The iPhone 17 Pro gives you around 31 to 33 hours, while the Pro Max offers the longest battery life ever in an iPhone, up to 35 hours of video playback. So across the lineup, we're seeing roughly a 3-4 hour improvement in real-world use compared to the iPhone 16 series. Performance and chip. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 series introduces the brand new A19 chip, while the Pro and Pro Max models get the A19 Pro chip. This not only brings faster CPU and GPU performance, but Apple has also added vapor chamber cooling to the Pro models for better sustained performance during gaming and heavy workloads. If you're a gamer or power user, you'll notice the difference. Colors and storage. The colors this year are pretty exciting. The iPhone 17 and 17 Air come in softer tones like lavender, mist blue, sage, black, and white. The Pro models come in more premium finishes: silver, deep blue, and cosmic orange. Storage starts at 256 gigabytes across all models, with the Pro Max offering up to a massive 2 terabyte option. Prices. Now let's talk pricing. The iPhone 17 starts at $799. The iPhone 17 Air starts at $999. The iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max starts at $1,199. Pre-orders begin this week, and shipping starts on September 19th.
So which one should you buy? If you want the best value, the iPhone 17 is now more powerful than ever, with Pro-level display features at the lowest price. If you want something ultra-thin and lightweight, the iPhone 17 Air is the slimmest iPhone ever made. If you're into photography or gaming, the iPhone 17 Pro is the sweet spot. And if you want the biggest screen and the best battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the ultimate choice. Apple has finally closed the gap between base and Pro models, giving users more reasons to upgrade. That's a complete breakdown of the iPhone 17 series. Which one would you pick? The base iPhone 17 with its Pro-level display, or the Pro Max with its insane battery and zoom camera? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Inferno Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you